I think that's a beautiful piece too, is that I think it's clear to me at least that there's a lot of things that we have not discovered in this world, or a lot of things that we've forgotten about. So I'd love to kind of dive into Nikola Tesla, because I feel like there's a lot of people that may have heard the name, but they may not be too familiar with him and his work. And so love to have you just share a little bit about him, how he came to discover a lot of technologies that maybe we buried under some sand, or
Yeah.
maybe forgot about, and just a little bit about the contributions he's made to this world.
Yeah. Nikola Tesla, one of the most brilliant minds that ever walked the planet. Nikola Tesla started his career with AC electricity. Much of what we have today in this electrical world, we owe credence to Tesla's work, or those who worked from Tesla's work. So Tesla was the father of AC electricity. And he received over 200, 300 patents in his life. He was such a prolific, not only inventor, but a theorist, brilliant mind. Later in his life, Tesla discovered scalar energy. And he actually built a tower, a scalar energy tower in Long Island, New York. And he wanted to introduce the world to this other energy. Why? Scalar energy is from the stars. It's an infinite source of energy. You no longer need a power plant. I tell people this all the time. The new power plant are the stars. People say, well, we're running out of energy. No, you're not. The stars will never run out of energy. So Tesla wanted to introduce to the world radiant energy, scalar energy, zero-point energy, or the star energy. And that's where I'm going with my research. So we're moving from the alternating current age until the scalar age, and it's going to be a quantum jump. It's going to be a quantum leap, and that's what's so exciting to me. It's a new form of energy. It's a new lifestyle. It's a new way of living.
So just so we don't lose people here, so when we're talking about using energy from the stars, are we talking about using that to put lights in our homes? Are we talking that to fuel our bodies, or what is this energy going to be for?
Everything. Scalar energy is going to replace the electrical age. Electricity is just an inferior type of energy. The best energy to use is scalar energy. So Tesla wanted to illuminate homes. He wanted to power factories with his tower in Long Island, New York. I'm not there quite yet. I will get there someday. I'm using miniature scalar energy towers to send energy to people. I'm not sending energy to homes, I'm sending energy to people. And I'm doing all of that by way of photographs. So I have, if you will, a miniature Tesla tower in which I can send energy to photographs. And in so doing, I can break apart the microbes in the body, I can balance the 7 chakras, and I can create nutrients. I do all of that by way of a person's photograph, because the photograph is the field. You see, in the electromagnetic spectrum, there's point A and point B. In a scalar energy dimension, there's only one point. There's point A. Point A represents the universe. And I know that's difficult to perhaps to grasp, but in a scalar energy paradigm, everything's interconnected. So as soon as I place my photograph inside an instrument, I connect with the universe.